Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Good morning, Ekboleke. Walamu gumani dieme, wanima dieme, wa bogue laska sheko. E Johnny Bisuk bebe rena. Because if we say by the mafia, our original social media president is a problem of social media. That is why we need to follow up with this Ibizugbe, Edababe Dena. Since we are married, Jaguar. Also, put him a bear as an adult who you say, ne Jaguar. So, Johnny Bizugbe, now you are come for. I don't see and say you be among those riffraff. Whether they give her one small position, they go to exaggerate like those state politicians. Johnny Bizugbe, I don't see you like this now. Say you be like among those state politicians where they will give her 1.5 million. May they do just 1.5 million. May they do small project. They'll declare themselves big man. Begin they go they carry girl abandon with their wife and children for house. So Johnny Bizugbe 200,000 where do Mezedo give you when you born pikin? Ordinary 200,000. Ordinary, simply, jejely. We not buy my Igbo for 1 month. Ordinary 200K. We not serve me poorly. You want come they make you not come if you get your own statement, you not get your wage. Bizugbe ho. Bizugbe too ho. John, ni that ye me de rave ho. Ani carry ra in nebo. John too ho. One more. Ano. Walk bia. Where the walk bia at all. Aye. They are that we be Morocco. Johnny Bizugbe. Ime arudu we be Morocco na si. Cause uswame lore Morocco ni ho wa ni ro. Ne nunu Ne luerere. Euhi. Agbiwe na me wa gbiwe. Euhi Bizugbe, you are too dirty and disgusting. Uwia. Eklinu give you. Every contractor, you don't even have a fixed job. You don't even have a fixed job. Eklinu give you cleaning, you are a bastard. Walk me, you are not man. No go. Look at the way you are talking. When you ogi jore, nere no munya ya operation ya bie ni seka ya operation na ya premature ya bie. Johnny Bizugbe, what it make you feel say we at it work jore? Because she did Facebook. Bizugbe, what did they give you mind say you will feel shake jore and you will dey comfortable? What make you feel? What did they give you the agility? What did they give you the thing? What did they tell you say, yeah, it's the one lock is jore go the stagger. What did they give you the mind say you go feel shake jore dey comfortable? How far? Johnny Bizugbe might tell you, now people like you, they help you they serve for bar for Paris, so go on boy. Wow. Come on, body there. Not go that area. Amaya hama, wama hama. Ogive ana, no give us a premature. A premature, no ya zio David Joreni, omo no viare amani. A premature, no re yorioni. I return that premature to ahead to your newborn baby. Johnny Bizugbe, a premature no ya zio David Joreni. A premature no re you ya oyo da Joreni. I reverse it to ahead to a baka to a odomuomu to your newborn baby. I have boy. What bell? Oh, I want no abi. I dey here. I don't have my missa. I don't off my missa. Boy. Just more shema. I be shema. No, a president in every level. President in Amae. Who knows you? Amae Rama who knows you? Eman even my position Amae. Who knows you? Who knows you? Who be you? Who sabi you? Where you dey? Who you? Come about the bastard. What bell? One star boy. You just give a star. One lay here. I work back with la. I can't work with la nokba. I can't work with la nokba. I can't work with la bonokba. And they call you president. A bona yaguala. A good president, the president in Ayaguala. No guya muyere, no guya gminigna, no guya. No guya rulo. Waga that they don't need the way we go to correct the same. Nuna get away. In a war. Na mehe. even where you put people will put you for position. Now people will be saying, "Ah, they are akpo boni I can me again with me done that them be that." So you not go pay me. Who wezuo? You met it ama we zuo. I will feel bad about it. I will feel bad about it. But it may come when na. Mame premature, premature. Uterwa was your madame. Mame premature. No, why do you wear me joreni? I convert it. I reverse it. I summon it to her hair to your newborn baby. To your newborn baby. Mwe premature mwa hair ni gie. I convert it to her hair to a paka to omomo nu bia last month. I agwedia. We mana veri unu ya mi jore ya agbobuwe. We mana veri unu ya mesare ya agbu egbe monu viokia because if you mama ni ya we makporu no sugbo we makwe he we they don't know if you exist. I agbu paka agbu. Wa agbe o. Obere ma ha magwa ma memo bie. Ogive amananya ese wota ya we VF abi VF abi CFF. Imam ya we atene ye. No pa wota ya adult money. If they pretend. The other one say no get belle. If they pretend. The other one say na pretend. The other one those of una where they contact me privately, they say, "Silas, you no bon." I tell una say, Nigeria never want get pikin based on the condition marriage where she married with a Joma. By the time a Joma is out of the way, she will become your mama. Really, God has answered it. She will become Sunni. Your mama are your mama forever. I know they tell una for phone. Maybe come wa wait me do ni nyo sekedeje wo ma ebie. Igwe to ma mi mo bie. Yori o ma no gwalo mo. No she was not the type. It was her own way of the marriage where she did for France that year with Oga Michel where Dr. Samakwe. Now she don't deal with the love of her life. Why she not go get belly? I no wake ya hammer. I be a gbe ye can hogaje. No wa muyere. Adrian Bizugbe. Kenok benue okpe agi no kwogine no gete we social media president e paka ki agbe ogun ki agbe isango ki agbe omila ki agbe okwo ki agbe ofia ki agbe olokwo ki agbe e bopa ya fefe ni lota gbon e fo ki agbe unu no gete Johnny Bizugbe president ne ogun ki agbe mani because Bizugbe is not worth to be a conductor leader, not to talk of a president. You see, Bizugbe is not worth to be called a conductor leader, a wheelbarrow chairman. If Bizugbe cannot be a wheelbarrow chairman, he's too disgusting as a man. He's an illiterate for number 2. He doesn't have manner of approach number 3. He's a woman insulter number 4. He's a bastard number 5. He's useless number 6. He's a lunatic number 7. He's stupid number 8. He's the wabbe you are. Wabbe you are. Mawuwano. Unwa di mofi aswa wa because we better ma see you wa gbe yan wonu wa ho wa be webu. Ayan wonu wa ho wa. Wa be la jo we pa no yo isana. Wa be la jo we pa no yo isana, we pa no yo isana. As early as this morning. We pa no yo so wa be la dia. Wa be kesta pa lejore ne baba within the twinkle of an eye. Rudagi jore be la da no de do wa vat ne start dog pa abe my sister here who tete me no de when ye ihunrin ya we our vat ni me akio yan. Yes. Sister see Eladan Elamogu sister. We our vat. Maybe they do our vat, maybe they cure them. Won't put everybody with different position. Mona they do our vat, and they cure them. Yes. Man, they cure these bastards. Wa gbel wa mama no pa won rebebo no that those set no ra ma na mi okpa na mi juti no je bi yen wa di wa be rest social media ma na mi no je gwa mama wa agbon wa yin e di mofi ya maso wa bi na di mofi ya maso wa ya ogbe wenya we o me so no we so be di mofi na nyanya o ma we gay and then no soleil. Una kama we don't go there. Oh, we okay. Let me listen to this my daughter, or let me listen to this my son. Let me listen to this my brother. Let me listen to this one. Obe humwa. If you be control, and man if you can control. Ama when I'm you can control. Why ya belu kokoshi? Wa salo abi baba. Wa tell up no ga robi ye won no de ugo. Ugo adegbe sunu ye ni me. Wa adegbe awe life you just adegbe egbe ni me because ya life you dey mess go we go do go. Next time you want to do live video, not write my name again because this matter not concern me, concern you. Like, what the Gwemu can talk. You may go where go there. I never talked to you before. They not ever write my name. Wahia go you stand one place. Who what time no je? As a report go on me your boy go so you boy ya or make am one who beg on me. E John no ho wa gbon. No ho wa vigo money slave. Oh vigo of you wan go. Wa gbe we no ti o gun ba e manu ti o gun ba gbon ya ma agbon me ya se we no gun ba we me yan ba o wa u a u gbon a u ma ko pe o ma ko ku you don't look like a last boy, you don't look like a first son wa gbe o wa salo wa bi pa ba ma wu wa no e John you can't be recording on it if you are so boy on it it has started the drum will be beating yeah why we pe na because when me Yanika the bottom me man record Yanika man bueno I felt talk I make queen that stand by her words I don't retreat because no retreat no surrender wa adam yo wa salo wa won nonsense pe me wait first not be this one na this one Never. Yesterday. No, I bring her on this side. Abi? Asho? No, your WhatsApp did this side. Wait, I bring her yesterday. Not yesterday, you sent her come. The last thing yesterday was this. Era agbe o era re we bowo ikan all right one moment sit down put who dey work fix your phone if you know say you dey work fix your phone make dem no go sack you I never go my own na last if you know say you dey work put your phone for ear not to laugh not too serious make dem no go say you get problem. If you dey cook low your gas cause the join bizu gbe na un dano amana be kemra na be kio a superstar or anybody celebrity no be se ona be hunare be Facebook na ma so go be ro e me no tia I bizu gbe me no tia e no be gbe sta kana no na be ave no be tia ni a o be ajeme e me no tia no gbe no muria e bizu gbe me let's go. La ijore no mo si a eme si ona eme wa vat na lady of song go bo no pa wodo make una yo dey promote my lady of song make una dey make am dey rain like say e no dey rain before wa rain wa tia e wa pe na tititi mere mo ade here you get pese no hin egbo ade here wa gbe o wa so wa wia wa gbate we amun dan wa be zege lodi na be dan ma bi vie no ro awa career ni revo ami ni ma na wo den ni mama ni ma ga mama doro bi be ru se wa gwo wa play like this wa gberu wa gbati go pe ni me ke ni na go ma who they say baby what's up ero jajun I was tired guys alpha come on body ena mane wa ya popo no my man wa popo yan ma no wa popo na mane wa tu wait it's loading let's go oh is it agui guy vacation we bella no carry holiday ma discuss it go take in yeah ko say Morocco why is talking nonsense we na go avec people jail okay but give me back over where the people I'm not going anywhere ya say Morocco so me level no ya hunu me wa down your here for you ni se latin
no not the me gari mo na be
ni se latin abi ni mo ye speaker
a video ne epa bizugbe o je me president o we emi ya ben we ya me wa e me na call we a why you sunu no na ya ti abo mere kini.
Can you imagine? Ejo bizugbe na be ya TV ya ga na ze one after the other because otawoto 2 o'clock ya ring na got time man. Ejo bizugbe na be ya TV we me le dori avie wa maye. Can you imagine that insolent? On be ya TV we se la si be don yunu mu vieri ya maye. Asise vie ye mem na muria. Asise if you see get what person one spoil. Wa moment. Let's go.
So me even so wa dario.
Dario.
We video o Monica. Let's be Monica dey. Egbe na dey okay ah. O ma we video no wa la dey aru you here. What did they happen?
Is it bizu gbe we meria? Are we me you no ri awewa?
Where audio ya gbe here no ya do vi you no ya ya why? E me la the video no.
As if you get me money na what we carry my kata? Then no we carry my kata. Then me ya can be what I want go tell bizu gbe about you I never felt up. What do you do hard? I want to do bizu gbe.
Why you not come we unu na ya ya wa.
Monica da we audio gumeta mawe. Otun ga re fun. Ta lo ba we say conference call. La do no e mata do te pepper soup. Ina we e mata na. Ina we vie. E ma mo boy nia. Na wetin I tell you also for fun. I wait time mawe. I be not tell you when will you do election? When the election you come out. Now you go try more avoid all these people where they reply. I still tell you for phone now. I still tell you.
Yeah.
Even have a phone, we marry even your phone. It be like the same day. I tell you, say we do conference call. See what you would try, do see what you. I mean, we don't have one here. See what you would try, do see what you would try, do see how the call go, see how the call go. Say that you and now they worry about. Now I can't even tell you, say, woman, I tell you, where you have power. We even laugh over it. What time I go talk for your background? Where I know if you can't tell you. Make sense the record can't give if you get any other battle. Come on, body. And second one, what the Monica will make her clear that part of it. Mommy no want me and my sister. I been a while, my can't do any, no matter what. Always birthday, I'm going to celebrate them. I know you're pulling never celebrate because I know hold anything against anybody. Now Monica will go ask, what's Esther doing? And Monica can know that's that way. Now that would be the question because I for not talk to her, if not be this Esther matter. Wait. I don't know what you do now. Where the matter come from? Not be that. A man no me. My question on you now. Tell me, la oje. What Esther mo bow. What you do? What be that thing where you do? Because the matter where they here, I tell you the matter where they here. You and Monica now, I'm for this matter where they here. If you go down where matter now, because maybe you got talking me. When the people go,
where in there, okay, in next way. Silence. The mommy because I'm a honey winner. You want to know. You must watch it later. You understand it. When the mommy any video you no as when you start.
What are the video where she say what's here? Say na Destiny the sponsor from Victor Yamuyatia. Say na Destiny the sponsor from Victor. Make it the instructor.
Okay. It's good. No, they over big some kind things. When you come out now, a video you watch it. You might have one, but you call worry. You got winner. You not watch it. And the Monica Tower, Destiny. I'm here where who wrong according to Reno sharing the young. I'm here who get them bobo. Imagine new way on a table. Do wrong on a table. Then the money will go around to wherever you only my sister when you come away. Still less. Oh, you work and
your sister not get anything where they say I want type for mine. Even even you where they talk to me so. Nobody for that Facebook get one thing. Let's hear your call. I said to one in Morocco, me go with Morocco, me call me. I don't get anybody where I want put in matter for mine. You know day. That is why on I don't get anybody where I put for mine.
When you come out,
Destiny matter. Why Destiny matter not be finished? Now that one I don't know. Why Destiny matter not be finished? Now that one I don't know. Why Destiny matter not be finished?
Destiny matter not be finished. Listen.
Okay.
When you come out, come insult her for just no reason. Go and rewatch that video. And you know after Destiny, no one bobo.
Why she go even suspect Destiny? When you say come in, if you're not, now what's in I ask you be this? Why you this? Why anytime where person take talk to una or take talk to Monica or talk to any member, anybody where don't hear Monica, una go they suspect Destiny. I don't know, as me be so. If you come and now come they insult me, I not go say that Monica say you may come insult me because why? I know say I not rich. Where person go say come, I say that person they fear me or that person not rich. Now you go say me person go help and do something. You do understand me so? I don't know why she they think say she too big or she too special or she too gallant. Where person go they pay for? Me person that they insult her. Why should they insult people? Who they pay her? What should they do? When my carrot team me when no guana. I the last if you go the last of I mean that's not your buwa. I mean that's the name I go worry your bojo. When my carrot team me before. Una where any boy na ya roll we na. Okay. Destiny don't have anything to do with it because if not, this matter not finish for grant. Destiny don't have anything to do with any Facebook presenter. Not even me. They don't start their mouth no Guana. It not get anybody where they pay for Facebook. There's like the highest way of you do this. So they report your video. I made any mama woman way. You not get anybody where they pay for Facebook, made the help and they do trouble. Believe me, not there. It's not there. Give me your that is not too long. That's what they're doing. Let the Mofi Monica take go. When Monica let the Mofi take on and when maybe me go ayo. Did I involve myself in it? Yes, I will not put no go the Mofi go because if you go when the Mofi nya he dey buy anything where they fish. I want that fishing thing. I want make it come out. If my Destiny is fish him out. Where?
If you gave me, you know, okay, no problem. Now I go try my night here. I just before you know it, you know what happened.
Okay.
You understand? That is when my way. Okay, whenever you are told where the Mofi, now I'm going and now you know, okay, no problem. You understand? For the peace to reign.
Okay.
I'm not see anybody for a back.
Normal level.
You understand? So,
Nemesis go catch up with them. Now the what they do be that they forbid truth. Yeah, why matter? Now the highest way they do me be that they report and the Facebook one report. Why report even my police?
My sister, against you. Before she even write your name for the this thing or know anything about you, she just say, as soon as it deserves me now, because of when you Facebook. When you go you are dead, be no good now. Emma,
and me guru we are dead me. And me guru we Monica dead me.
Why not there no those go you?
Who will know there? When we are guru we are dead me because it be long time in my go and for long time I can't kind. My way make bezo. If you want it now, my way make bezo. And Monica me mind. If you let me tell you, any yagu egwa there yo. What power when no guana, that is why I still pick your call like this. May I tell you the fucking truth. Also, never pick a call when you get move. You are talking about women. What when you are not emi no ma agwa na go we mi when na pa mi vie na we do na refo you not get what you dey offer na not get what they offer you dey feel me so na only you do what you ma be go do go find Ibizugbe go talk to am go tell am say no enu na ma gba u dey we me and you let me know that you stop with your sister say see wetin dey stop between Celeste and Ibizugbe you dey destiny she didn't even bother. She didn't even bother to even say Celeste, why if you are me? She doesn't even bother because why? Or time or we are not going destiny more, but what in your mag baby? And not time and anything. I pissed off. What? I don't know when I walk my way on my mouth. I never time now. On a man dead bar. Okay. On a man by now, one would now go make cheaper. Okay. In a tear. Okay. If you are my phone, where you not to know my phone. In our but you almost to setting trying to reach a commander. Put that man, you explain everything to me. Put me a man. Okay. If you and you want time when Monica we and Mega call Danny Garuway, that one will let you know. Say your sister get me for mine because it's time you can't take it away. You the young me so messy, that and the leg matter, it like a moment, no matter what, no matter wait, wait, time and I tell you when you go, make I tell you, I like a matter, no matter when one woman is say. And then why are they? Say very you. Para one area born area. You don't understand me so? It's your two and damn you many heavy. If you are muyere na ekwe na gun. Owa muyere na ekwe. Ekwe. Mama ho. Tell one now here what for there way. You know, you know, it's in a bar. You know, explaining, man. Or where, or what's here, no day. I mean, I'm explain and say, or we hear, or walk around here, we are not in your way. No lie, we're going to do a live video. Or when got all called the number way, my. Your sister is not an honest person. Or 20 times matter. You know where you actually a Monica may matter. Monica, look my eye bulb. Now me they tell you not be truthful person. For you to tell if you say you not know say that code that statement where Ibizugbe make. It make me your know say what may matter. And not the way you go talk when me go call and truth. I don't know about other people. I'm just saying for my own mind, for my own view. Because we watch a video ni wo no communicate because we were neck. Anek official working. Why neck in no election in at why neck? Election no re. A video ni Ibizugbe matter but oko de no yare bani many. Imama no we answer many Ibizugbe he ni mema he. Ugwe medi de we why would your code there? Who you know what do better mame? We ga give your code there. Niti Ibizugbe ni ka mega me no tani gi ma like you we are the one that even advise me. We ga give your code there. Ni je Facebook yawe video ni. You ga give your code there. Niti Ibizugbe ni ka mega code there no time me ni gi ma like before I get Ibizugbe. If you get to when who mega code there ni ga aru way. Why are you beating around the bush? Why be say why me give you a banner? And then if you know it, have ever boy on a ban. Why be home by your way man? Why be so na go talk finish? Last for you to admit to your statement go be problem. Why be so you know where you are going? And when you know where I got nowhere. For you to your admit say yes, it don't name yes no, it go come be problem. And when you go what you admit to you to anybody, don't say it. Don't say a word when you don't mean it. Don't do things when you are not serious about it. Now the fact, egwa, ugaga men watani umami ne, ere we hoe, umen wa yata or when wa yata you. It not make sense. Men ya tama we Monica, you are not an honest person. I'm not about tama we. Everything where they do everything with strategy. I'm telling you, you are a strategy person will be say, you know what to do to get this right. You know what to do to get this right. You are not an honest person. For the fact you are smart, using your strategy, and people decide to, a lot of people, person like me, I know one man, they follow you up. Me, because they say maybe tag bovo because what they are being no way tag bovo. Now that one no one me. That is why I hate to they mention your name when they talk. I hate even new way. But other bovo when I hate you, it make me not they mention your name sometimes. But as it be like this, I go see tell you. Strategic maybe that time if they do things where they do yeah, you know what say they try to talk who be this person will go school you go school well now that kind of person now you be you know they talk what guane I don't know one who do no pet maybe when can not time now or mark bass you come one may you pet and may you make her smooth for the next person here may they can say we'll take here I who will hear any get they well come on body o continue.
I want to
if you're 20 years matter or 20 years matter you have to phone now because the man my head one is what say you are no but mama matter and Monica matter because our matter no when my boy ya gun all time away view wọ́n gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tà máa o. ọ̀nà bẹ̀ dùn arúgbó ọ̀gá wò bọ̀ náà pa wọ́n gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tà máa kàn tẹ̀. ẹ wọ́n mẹ́ ma ta. Salobani ya la gbogbo ni ya record di kọfà mi ma record ọmọ rọ pa Salobani ya record ẹ ní àpò pẹ. No, during that period I no record any of them I pray make them come and complain.
Because they know you ma when ma takile no we boy kai ono wo we ati stella se mi agui o no make sure we no tie ni aseto amicably no ya tie we ni ma ni be take as person you know what wa ma be oni ona tie we so me na be
Monica
you know we ya ati we
for you
after some days ono go tie wa bi we gbe money na we okay
not here since me ya gbe Monica gba ni bisu gbe Monica ma da gbe gun all that for now not damn it. Since then, my boy ya go on phone. Tell me bisu gbe ma. Till this tomorrow, till next tomorrow. My boy my dad gbe gun video. My dad gbe me. The only thing she did, she sent the name of the website where she creates. Come give me for WhatsApp. Avion. She sent message. A message she sent. She never called me since that day. Why we not see any Ghana Monica no where? What that we not see any Ghana no where ri ho ri ma ho because for 2 time all you can better back obi ju any or 20 egbe when you matter because any good time na is this and not say Ghana is this they are all the same thing because she told me openly and boldly with that working me go and wait at you go and say the man at do when every time here way she said she all you know yatamame openly and boldly where if I have anything to do with destiny she will gonna stay away from me what will need to ever I'm not gonna make ya anything with the day ya agbe ni ati egbe me you can ever what will it am okay
well what will make peace we will okay make a peace okay fine
why make a peace why you make a peace if here was a peace here a peace manage what peace does not need any of us peace is far away peace travel peace not theirs peace don't high like this come on body we don't need peace again why we get peace since 2017 oh wakeme I ain't boli give me 216 and now 217 peace 218 peace 219 peace 2020 peace 2021 peace what's a peace here more they do the way we sabi do more they do I will know say we sabi do so for me everybody they do the way we be say na the honest way and the truth and the facts I guys not the carry annoyance pepper body take the judge anybody matter with anger or out of hatred No, if you read that point, stainless not the support, stainless not the join that group, stainless not the associate with those kind of people. I not agree. Emi awa dere wa gbe era me wa gbe zo avoevu nia wa gbe zo voevu nia na de gbe zore me another person not come repeat am tomorrow and then the matter na they come back you know they agree die. And secondly, person where you know say you don't offend. Now be say anytime when something they happen to you, you go they suspect that person, they suspect that person, say, now that person they do you, now that person they pursue you, now that person be your enemy, now that person be your wish, now that person they, if it be say now you they pursue yourself when nobody they pursue you. Like my other brother be na your father here waru like individual part on here. In your the run they go, nobody they pursue her. You don't see a shower, you are the run, they go like this. Nobody they pursue her. Now so if they be for this Facebook, what are you offend on man? And me got soon that will not come and you go. Anybody can't come and use na the chat. Una go send that person will offend or a person will offend una. Now go send that person, no, everybody get eye. We all have eyes. 1,000 people are here sitting or listening. Put anywhere hand in hand, listening to me like this. They have ear, they have head, they get opinion in every word that come out of my mouth. They get their own side of reasoning. You know, go feel you expect say everything will come out for stainless smart now. Everybody go clap. Put. I'm not expecting it, and I will never expect it because not be as me take the think, not be so you take the think, not be as you take the reason, not be so me take the reason. That is why they tell you say, tell Monica say she not get anything for body. When person go pay put, make the content insult and put nothing attached to her. You know, so Lord blessing you with me and yangmo. It will bless them with me and yangmo. No matter so, but God will definitely bless everybody because force aloba so gbadun opa were gbe never so aloba ma so gbadun opa no were gbe de all la elega so pe no uko o ka ga ka sin yobo àwọn no ma uko mo so obo àwọn gbo so do so ma boy do so we no ka mi. That is how life go. This life na boy vie na boy the way they pay me for your matter be say end of a jour when na as you they do you for your own personal self. Now so you see they carry for your own sister body because you self na person will be say if you go wrong person they tell you say you are going wrong. Who what am money hate you? Who do I tell money betrayer? Who do I tell she's a betrayer friend? She said this one, she said that one, she said that one, she said that one. No. Now so you also be now the same thing they do now. Tell me now, me ask you what you they ask me that what Monica do me. Me they ask you now say what Esther do Monica. You don't see something to tell me. Ask me not see something to tell you say Monica do me. That is it. That is just the game where they grant. There's no two ways about it. And the mafia now wait for so this man. Now judge this matter. Now the muffin just another person. Joy Bizugbe. Oh yeah, now you go call Destiny. Say, if God will do me to say me call her. Wait, they put Destiny for me. They insult Esther since they one way they start to they insult them. They not do anything. They not get anything where they doing. Whether na Monica send them more, not be Monica send them more. It not gay. But for Monica to even they say Destiny the sponsor men they insult her. That one there, it them even they parrot me because she's supposed to know say nobody go feel pay gay. They insult me or she or anybody for Facebook. We presenter, we not get anything. If you know say don't they do live video, whether they speak grammar, whether they speak Binio, whether they speak Japanese, whether they speak Ahunsa, any language where they speak, where you know say don't they do Facebook for this Facebook. You not get what the person want pay, put me the content insult you. Now your words of mouth and the way you are presenting things, now go make another people who don't even know me and you go come out for another corner to book you. Yes. Just as me or the shots now, another person if you come and go say, let's why they shout, you they create, you don't see smoke it go, you know the shame. Anytime we don't smoke, you can't the shot. I don't know before. You are concerned now if you now go pay that person, make that person can't insult me. Alpha, what you not they think? What you not the reason? They say if you want to know a man, give them money and give them power. If you want to know a real man, if you want to know a real man, give them money and give them a position, a power. You will see the idiot, the animal, the beast, the human, the anything, the inhuman in them. They will bring anything out because they feel they have the power to root and they feel they have the money to spend. And what you call the permanent be say, Ibizugbe is a dirty one. He's not even qualified to be a wheelbarrow pusher organization chairman. He's not even qualified to be a conductor chairman. He's not qualified of a leader. Say Ranomigo way they sort that dinner. Ranomigo way be papa. He's not qualified in anything. In anything, Bizugbe is not qualified. And anybody where they open mouth, they call that boy president. Ogwoba gwonge no hiagbe. Ogwoba gwonge no hiagbe. Ariaki aria mi yobo, ariaki aria wa yobo, ariaki aria de yobo. Oh, semi kokwazaga is zaga yobo. Because if Bizugbe no dano, oh man no yera no one oh chose you. Hey Bizugbe king. If you please and make sure say if Bizugbe send you the record where I take spoil you give am. Make sure say Bizugbe send you the record where for talk say you keep person. Make sure say Bizugbe send you the record where for say you come my house come thief my pint. Make sure say Bizugbe maybe now because now those one never talk or because it not happen. Make Bizugbe send you that record. Beg am where say make it send you that record. Make it send you that record where be say me stay less, stay spoil you. Because I don't see what I want to spoil for you, but everything does spoil finish. May Bizugbe send you the record where I take spoil you. I want me bring and come because when I say ni me have time of ye okay, no hang give time of that way. Who be? Come on, body now. Continue. My hair. Now what you tell her? If you get it answer, no, if you like, you could walk there, no, Mudia. If you could walk there, no, to it.
People keep on running away from a live video from each other. My who don't this catch I feel
if you are going to be a judge because of one area where they right for time. You not understand me so. Me area where they right for time. Ba fear with you because I would general negbe. I would general run. Ba those one. Better less for Canada. Canada make even like a money. If even like a money because area where they there. And secondly again, then you say tabanoma go metai. You don't make me lose my statement. Oh man. You say tabai. Wow. Uwe peace. Uwe na peace ni we go alot it when I make a peace where I for let the peace reign. A peace na what na make me accept that presidency of a thing because if no na do me Erioje, na say they be. I'm a number expecting, but so I do okay raw. Na say they be. Now your sister disregard me. Monica, your sister disregard me. Big time, if you may ask I might be young. I might be young of age than your my sister me. I will give me a good money. I don't see anybody. If you say if you want to solve destiny, you not see anybody. You have a total Monica. You never be a total phone. If I say my sister down where I sit down on top of my bed, so say what about to enya remember beg Milan on the lekia, remember begos on the lekia, remember beg Papa Wagan in Yakale lekia, remember beg when you one in the lekia, remember had Devon in the lekia, remember what Devon in the lekia. You got my point. In your one, no Goma Soma, Aginoma, Omana Goma so woman on the lekia. We are who a Mabiaka destiny. If you anyway, what we sending, we make Bamila Lugani do. We are what Mappa Paviaka destiny, if a number of Baviaka Tuari, not one. Kakeva, why? Because the destiny at that form. Fuck you. Oh, Wamonu will draw this Remayaru way. My Siamena Mayaru way. They worry you. Kian. If you say not see anybody with anybody, now see anybody, not see anybody with anybody where you feel say you know. That's how you be.
It is very obvious where it's only one person.
At the Monica Ruwe. The only one person inside this matter with their Facebook. Now your sister Monica not there inside. Now Monica there inside. Now she they manipulate everything with strategy. Now she they map. Now she they map everywhere where she want me the direction go. I don't know for I got that direction. She go declare that person bad person. If anything they said this matter, anybody when you they suspect they said this matter for Facebook, when no man will make Facebook calm down, when no one make Facebook rest. Babe, listen to me and hear me go away. Now your sister to Ari Monica we are dog bolo. Now they said this matter. Now no make her no one come out. Now make her no one finish. No suspect people wey not dey Facebook. Wetin dey first for inside Facebook, dey inside Facebook, not dey outside people wey dey watch us. Our outside people wey don't bring their matter come. Oh, we don't bring their matter come, we don't trash and we don't come out. We are suspected now we are suspected destiny na. Eri meneseles na ba be sikugba. Iba be kubalele, me ba be riun that do mezedo. Wa gwena sio ko sien. Wa gwena sio sien. Wa when Facebook wa when Facebook come on camp. Wa we are not destiny here. Maybe we are total mana. Maybe we are pas du mezedo because any wa when destiny we are igone the mofi. E du mezi ve so are net bisu gbene. I bisu gbe bi mo no mati kokove dario. E du mezi rigo no do celebrate be Facebook. Odo gbenyo gwa, odo mo ke dada na movie kwa na movie dada do ya go be Facebook. Amame no gba, mame no nai. Me mado gwan yo, me destiny ma gwan resta ma wa guri go ne. Amame no buware, nobody come asa una. Gege, come body. Ina ko mi agwe na hunwa. Wa wote me wa for munu. Wa gun ase. No na sabi pass. Now when you to everybody to remote control. A battery if set me battery one win abo. Alpha. For myself my battery not dey work. If I give you chance me take press, I want you say how far your remote can go. I make no so show low battery, no show low battery be presidency. What happen? We dey inside the game. But here. Eleru wala ki be rigone, gale to no nania. Any bisu gbe bi omo le dere omo picture ye Facebook. De bisu gbe de ma ya kaya fuck up your destiny. E matter na bisu gbe ti no roto now because na maybe now or na you or Monica no know what they happen but me now the thing say na bisu gbe be bad way dey this matter. The bisu gbe no ya take destiny. Ya come destiny where me when it me when if enoge a lovely the what mama no be culture do ele da boy we ma do emiti kakinye keke Monica we ma do emiti ma when ye call it destiny ma we bisu gbe ma gbodo gbe emiti ma na ya mo election ma we ma gba mo conference call ama what ma gbe ma hu dama ya tie destiny we ya we negotiate to be destiny wa ge ma test na e destiny gi rovinye na bo no paro do bo ti destiny ona de Facebook ona do judge me gba do judge start for no reason ere mata na ya la ere mata na ya roto na there's nothing here where they will say see what destiny do or see what Esther do na bisu gbe made that call na make we call am back mata sta kere bisu gbe no mana pa yo tore na no nia we be back to we be ge we ke do ade ne na ya we lecture na unu video Esther ewu no ya ro we Monica unu video Esther ewu Monica yo no wada wala dia do aro for no reason. Do you know where even they call you where because me I don't get time. Why is that Monica can destiny? Monica can like that. Was when destiny where or right destiny for so any normal. And then while I go or bisu better about your mama when you go your job on I want to pay bisu better of your destiny. And I make I want to wait the way while I'm going to bisu better of your destiny. I'm just making an example. I'm making a reference. And I give you job on your job. Okay. And I DPC get that DPC why not? And I give you job. I want to DPC where we job on the business but I on my Facebook. If you do one walk you never sort to get Monica bisu by no. Yes. Okay, no when I go okay, if bisu okay, when you come out yesterday, you analyze her, you talk about CP. Monica. Okay, GPC. Me I know where. Na milije fait qu'on insult me there because I'm a member. Na milije fait qu'on my platform qu'on insult me. Na milije GPC. She's one of them. Or you know they do whatever I don't know. Me no be why fair. Na the matter na say they be. We are not going back in the cat bona. I'm not telling me no raw. Milije ya si wa. Everyone here so what GPC ni. As far as I don't know, me no be very me pepe ni le here. Ere wa say. Imagine I don't I don't know who she is or who he is.
I was anyway, anything we relax, we understand. That not be problem. But if you know him have money, you go make us the stand.
Tell your sister made them honest. You have Monica not tell me when they are day. Or tell me when they are day. And the matter while I'm not good the day. Even who come, we made doctor of a work out of the not Tanania. Tell her made the thought things the way it be.
But we're not get honest.
Hey, she has to be honest. She knows that this is not got anything to do with any of these Facebook presenter where they insult her. And secondly, she knows at time make she not we never give one since you come by yourself and defend her for you. What tell you now to say make she know the reason I said what damn they insult her. What damn Monica. Monica, who don't back in the car before, why your power manu, why ever manu, every young may have a bow, because you know what I'm having. And I'm coming night. What is this?
Oh, I'm not your name.
My father, the time when I would let Monica. I got no time, Mamma, that Betty. I got no time, Mamma, would let Monica. You got Lamoto, Nimoto Beme, you got Fika, Nika Beme, you got your work here, Netrella Beme, a cake and Lano Gua who make here. Oh, when if you know what I would let Monica. Who are that so a book your boy? Who got la whip book your boy? Who got your work your book your boy? Who got your boy? What is this? But they well, not every night.
Then another thing, this time away, give me like you have something. I told you my money cannot go again. A live video, and not away. You see,
live video, I got megaphone, not a better, you're not. I got megaphone, not a time my life here. Who you walk me, I'm not who you may wear. Oh, a phone, not time my life, you do not have. Who you walk me, who you will wear. Let my money. Let my money. Ask me another one now, they decide that for you.
You don't do.
Oh, I'm
one on here. One, I was saying it on the
phone, not tell you, man. A phone. In my way, then the phone, not another Bella Vegetalia, pen when you're women. Even my one with the man was you know me. Oh, where was atame mama pona tama mama mata so fani jere ya wona tame mama na tame mama ma de fo no
but no we ya tame no
cough abada bidi if you had dog back in me neck ball before you me for my own phone emi nu you know where ya ta o we you know we vie Monica no we te iju na wo ga den we gbe se 2 years wo ma den o wo den Monica o eni be fun before we vie aga mega phone me na ni be ya we live video no na you know where ya ta ma me igbagbe ne ni ari agbon na mi no gbegbe mi dem da no sunu da me o ivie you know where ya ta what time ma me gu den Monica go wo kan no nu e emi ogun we me mo ke aku we kian igbe mi mo ke aku we kian wa mi o What be that? Block this person. Ogun ogbo no ni me ogun hu imo to gbo e. Wa gbe o. We are guys me agwale me yase su we who be this person? What yen yi? E da posan ni ogun onware yuju ogun gbo e. Hu imo to gbo e. On a threatening wari eni akegu wa gwan wa te pity your children hu imo gbori bisu gbe beta ma me. Ibisu gbe wi mo mo. Jere gu mo. Baba president no ma ibisu gbe na you na threatening me mo na Facebook. Ogun ogbu e wa gbe o wa ho wa kwaru opaga mama no wa ibisu gbe wa gwadi eti ni ibisu gbe eti no mama oke wa ya gboni ho ma ki wa ka mere mi no ma gba ibisu gbe ofa mi ropa to anything wa gwadi eti na wa gboligi. If anybody they insult Monica, na bisu gbe they bring the insult. Whether una take am o, una not take am o, it not concern me. Anyone na like una tell reason na, it not concern me. If you bisu gbe come at insult Esther, na so I go say insult anybody where I know say they bisu gbe back. Na so it big. If you we akaro with destiny, ma be go ma be eke. Eri mi ave ladian. Anybody no be eke bisu gbe me ma be begging ya. Iwa be rovi waya kwode from A to Z because of that mama no you waye. O ma bu wa kama that not we nyeboy. Thank you this person will reply and will make me feel good better. Wa gbe o. Wa what it be all this one? Nya. Emi wasi mi me bege. Emi wa gbina bege. Esther wa pe. Nya ipe na be do blog la Europe me wa gba lega. Wo they move around nothing they happen. Imi awari office si wona na ya lele. It be all this one. Ya ga fi ke belele kan be stage. Wa do ba be yo morisa. Wa gbe o. Wa do ba be yo morisa. Wa so. What it be all this one? Nya do atalo be phone. Na so if this is also the vie okay da very dey for ordinary digitally. Okay, cause if you are here, me set is here. Ni kete me ma bi bisu gbe kedo de ma me record rokorokpa pe because ma record ya rokorokpa. Ya se gbege ma Monica we ya gwa we ya ma record mo rokorokpa. But if you na la me phone, he me say, guys, get the phone say, me na take the phone, na say get kun. He me say wa because am na me alajamu no set you know, set me ko e vie kin. That is why I not the miss vie. I know they miss a words, may not them my phone. Or me no ta, if I be gay way, and me na magba, na me details on I mini. But a gbame no me reason me na he must the he must your boy your gwega before me. He must carry a bam before me. Ni me yaze nunu me. We vie kan hu ala ne gori se ro. Ola no mana wia no wia e be ka gin yon no e. Amana wia receive vie anehun. O e ti sie gan yon nehun ni. Okon no wo ola. Okon no amana we are no grad sign when your name ni egwa na eviekin one pass like for me do another Monica we Monica Vesta we Monica we destiny away ni am destiny no ke destiny e what magi we send every okpare ni ya Monica the Esther magi we go egwa ni ya what is sunu na what it can dey happen which work on the ground we no gree finish why turn ni re amen of get side ni wodo nobody the reason that side abe na gba nu pogodo adeye akure no my sister akure no short the Mariette talo na kun mi wa bole ya lele out is as kala wa kale le mi wa kale mata no ro ya kale ye kebe wa ro be di mo fi uga eke be di mo fi awuwe that di mo fi gwa Monica gwa ma ye gwa gwa ke wa uwe agona gele be agbode na temata be di mo fi agive uwe nu hana wa ro ma be wa ma bi eke wa ri uwe ene Morocco sina atasin guy one time wagba ni yari sine matu wasi okay kere no fo wagba we keti no ro no we je na be leva let's go there me keti no ro no be are bebe de pa that what we here or we is a blade a bear we here be me no mo wa ma tem o feel letter go me better pikin we cat no ro no we be je birthday pa no we very abelele gbe ye very eri na mo velele gbe na my sister eva ekpo iya we ko akebigila eva ya ekpo wo wa e ko akelebra ene na me no pele no ma ra me no pele come on body eko akelebra eva ya ekpo wo wa eva ekpo people wey come carry jollof fry carry egusi soup now let me and my friend wey sit down here na no carry e ma vie eva ya rio wa because that time me no rio e waga nu we ave waga go ma na ateberi na ege be so obo waga be so obo e ma vie eva ya rio wa o ina be bolo fo wa afafan ge lolo mare you should be happy also we lolo mare odo sia for inside purpose you come dey fight lolo. I swear down, baby, I for change out for you. Gege. I for change out for you. Inside that party, you call the fight lolo. Where you know where you get paper, you get document to UK. Ta! Waga go down. Gbe pa no am my sister. Gbe pa no am ambulance ade police ade. Thank God say you also should go to church and say Thanksgiving. Say lolo no come. What to be are shoshi akpo sa lo bare lolo mare ko we ga be like e pa is egbu aya we talo e pa ti mo fi ni e wori kan on e wori owo on e we pin on e we sie on e we tutu you for feel and rugged you for feel and too rugged. Thank God say you don't apologize so and you should be also be thanking God say lolo no come ije. You should also be happy say lalo no come do agbina we be everybody we dey na mero we gbe Facebook ero we all the dance you come go dey fight as odonga abi afafa we lolo marry my sister ki me kugwe my thank God see be this one come mona let Facebook quiet to me everybody dey their day o because like this why so e no go good ije med yari kwepa wa miru gba we na ji kwepa e ji bobara pa ije scatter blast ege yari ni ka gba ever set ta ona we the party we ake wa mama ni wajo le party maru we wa nyage we wa rota wa ko life and direct straight up on a let of fire straight up abanoa Iji boba ikwepa I know they always anytime where they go a party I'm always on Nika for Germany oh can you imagine wait for Germany like this how do you beg me now why am see my sister I was in Wamuge I made many runs so that what them was over come on body you know come what all over Facebook e wana manamenti they make noise here atalo ma the chat here e wana say now only people where they listen where they feel bad about the matter now they pity for now only what do you na fia mafia wa talo ma wa talo ma mo na you dey talk here na here be na here na this junction ai bisu gbe wa gbe o wa so wu oya zie premature
Don't tell me the person.
oya zie premature ogbu e owo kun gwa na ma can you imagine me your wife born that day they celebrate people celebrated with you see wetin dey come out for your mouth for person wey get belle body we can be premature Nobody go reason, none of your supporter go reason, your people, your even your neck now not go reason that matter to be anything. You born, people support you. People pray jolly dance for you. Who get belle now? Was the premature than the premature boy? No, when may you die premature death. May premature death kill you. Premature death will be 50 years. Wow, so bros, if you know what's good for you, enter another person where I don't know. And do I enter money? When he ha enter around where? Because anybody where you enter any this time around. Because I'm always one book when he know why that's all dinner. We have a separate the Murphy. We be say where do I where those here would now you gonna be saga king era me no pa hin. Amagin ni we to yare van saga saloba he do swan here. The saga Jesu, saga devil amagin bom hin lare. Amala re buku wenani ya and I am ready. I am here for you. Straight up. I am here for you. No at anybody again o e ko se gbe wo come body. Suffer come body. May I go bath. I need to go to work. Yeah, what talo? O we pa no we sa no me clean am boy. Na when we make here for we bought to ato. You want for or you bought to ato ni we. You bought to ato what day why you bought to ato? Why you bought to ato? You here to ato. Like say you want pesh. Are you a jacko? If you by you wrong, why were you perching on the ground? Gage, come on, body. Very anyhow, ma. Bella baby, what perch? You are perching on the ground. Are you rugged? Go sister less here. Are you rugged? What the great pressure was fin ball. What the great buyer you to our fin. Cut out short. I want fin our ball. You are a bastard, you might be. Can you no? This person is not that mad person. And imagine I hear that shit. You see Facebook. You see that. And imagine a man like that shit. If you go receive far. I see the comment that you be mad. Commenters no go kill me. I need to read this one out. Not verse, oh, not be me right now. Oh, quoi, j'avais so midi. Ne imagine anakina. Beaucoup. Where your head? So you know that is just a word day. You are very anyhow human being. Pardon me to read this one. I'm going to only very talk show the way one for. A man had the just on him. You are a very anyhow person. Oh God. Oh, scheiße. It clear everywhere good. I better go and nane. Now we are going to do this baby a lot later. Bye. Ite ama saga pano quoi. There, il va je me réveiller là, d'où il me brasse tout. remember some more na very akon. Saga vio ekwa. Get it alo. So like this everybody dey well. Niwe ya ka Bisugbe. Bisugbe, I'm waiting your next record. Wa go be awukpo wo ze pe o be gun. Wo si won wo gan win na. Akwa pe toilet. Ya kwa okmo. I mean when na win na is all weather. So ya le ya kan ri yak gbeti le ya kan. Everywhere good. Let's go wait for the next national item from Johnny Bisugbe's. Problem everywhere. Buzz everywhere. Make them come on body. I bet talk nane. See me, oh. Sophia, see. I swear that precious society. That guy na another mad person. Only work by the platform he made. Only what reason far. Yet go far. Go say, see that babe. What? Mama. What? Martin declaro. What? Na yesterday sabobo. Lady Hassan. Gege. Lady Hassan. Nashina. Gege. Bluetooth low. That be connect. This your koto. That be connect in here. O reconnect. You must reconnect your phone kan pe. O ye la be phone kan. Wait do. He says your Bisugbe is the president of 45 viewers. We there here for you. You get fans. You get lovers, my queen. You get people. You get crowd. Always Zion low and a multitude. You tight. Now all sabi go feel loser and nobody go feel sabi you. Claro. Gege. You get crowd. What we talk about? Ukpek bodo one of Binikido. Ukpek bodo one any baweni. Aka Lady Hassan. Ukpek bodo one no be bagwa. No woke bagwa. Every obi oyeki. Iya era wama amaya zera. Na zona. Gege. Bes. Why we are here? ticket webo no ya fe werie gege egiru de social media no rebizu gbe no menegbe no ya fe ticket werie o gege ele come on body start ene wiye giru du wa fe ticket werie tinye die webo wiye ga do bobo wage gege dobli makia kesun o mari lala jemi maga kejemi ve pa o imado don bobe o ladipo gege muna book my doctor for Italy, book am for France, book am for Switzerland. We dey go Switzerland, we dey go Austria, we dey go everywhere, we dey everywhere. Gege. Baby. Atame, awatame. My sister, Egbinya woman, never to see me Morocco. Ya ma esi ya me. Claro na rien gege. Bes. Awana agbo. Ere ode o. Mabeta wo we na ne. Nyari nwi na mi awe amegbe nwi na. Wagin ya be true yon kaso wa keme. Ega be togane. Me do togo me. Wa mo egbe say mo na go change money. If I mo me will use euro to spray this time around for Lady of Song. Are you a fan of Esther Dokpayi? Don't use dollar, my babe. Don't use dollar, my queen, my kingi. Wagma euro ya gwegbe. Mi a here. Ya go egbe say 100 euro. 100 euro alale gan no amo dede. Mi a here. Na euro ya gbe 5 euro no be bad thing. Make sense. So now so it be. Everywhere good, guys. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. If you insult me, na your papa, your mama. If you curse me, na I'm going to kill you. If you curse me, wa. If you curse me, go boy. Everywhere good like this. Now we are make a busy. Now we are go bonola la dia. President in Nagbiwe. Or why they so to remain? No, you na gbomo. Ya mi pon ojo no fit or jealous leave you or the t-shirt or you wa gbe or jealous leave you na ge ya ni pe ma be church ya ni pe ma church wa ge mi oja na ge ya ni fi ticket gbogbo se Oba market ni jealous leave ni ya to gba me yo pa no ri ejo no ma be gbe or je native o ye bezuku ama koma wo pe owo ku eme ma we munu wa do gbele secret jore dota una bo no egbe wa nu dota una mo no edomu dota una do no kokoro no egusi mi odo dota duwa ene dota dia wo kan gba mu da wupo dota dia wo kan gba mu customer pa dota come and talk it I dey here na press this one iyere no mo si o na eme leave this one for me for this one I can dey here to talk where the stress egbe we you go no na anyway e bisu gbe tayo me ho o wetin ya mo me monica nya hu me ave mo goge monica nya hu anybody I carry am ijore wa si o na eme leave this one for me forget this one no reason now when not do time me ave tell me he do ta ni ya ijore since 2012 e bo be bi gue eyin ho ima ho pe ave do ta ununu he do ta ekenu we se do ta omaria be adari abogene du wo yete no ke do ta adeye kon tokan e secret unu human traffic unu guys no go mu la we bodo ta come and talk it do ta again no again mu jore mu ye la we bo na asa ni do ta come owo movie je la we bo ni agwa o ma be mu go la we bo nu gbe o do ta come and talk it wa so adeye me wa be hono na I know this one. Come and bring it and come and talk it. I'm not a salt and water ministry member. Mona not go include me. I'm not a salt and water ministry, but Ijore is a personal person I know. When the music bedo ten on heaven, Dota, a France in Wuje, a Paris in me one dear ya for good 4 years. If I not your young way, Dota, come and talk it. What bell? Amen. Then on Yadako, you Yadako, eh? You never go wa. See the way they nyanya for woman. Then on Yadako. Oh, can we better what over we vietie wa kama ga no tamagba wu nyo brege o we to kan we ga are labor ye gbe kan we you see how they be if person woman dey labor body go the pepper am you even dey call her husband dey warn her husband like o ja ave you ohun e can ni go very ogwaji bi ari ogwajo e can no be gboni very ogwaji bi ari ogwajo you will know everything can no be gboni very ogwaji very ogwajo ebe na bata igwe my Ibizugbe, I swear down. If you apply for cleaner, me go the clean Igwe car. It go apply you, and go the pay salary. It go pay you salary well. Your wife fit do sales girl for Ijore for inside your house. Your wife, Ibizugbe, your wife fit do ask girl for Ijore. On when we buy all mu mwe your wife ya. If what do you telebu? I can no give me go with Facebook on yako come mo wa gbe. Dota, adeye, ade no dota. Come and talk it. Come and talk it. One man no na Nigeria no you borrow to mama was na my man when I have a story, but I know a lot of Nigeria women and Nigeria guys that woman give meaning to their life in Paris. Wow, so daughter. Nene ke help you one ya no. He will help on never will help. What time who can help you Facebook even know there. Ikaka me Ijore no more way. A Facebook no line na esi finish book bebo. Ikata me for beginning the one. As he finish it book bebo, I tell you, give man arema, you just say the joke. If not, person like his Bizugbe don't work for your bar. Not be lie. Person like Bizugbe don't serve me padanyama black soup. Idiot. Your wife don't do sales girl for you. Don't be saying I shoot best say mama go fly. Even call Ijore husband. If you say call Ijore husband, say me Ijore want me wife not gonna be premature. Say bon. Can you imagine that shit? Can you imagine that nonsense where they come out for mature man where their wife and children for us, smart? Can you imagine? I mean no can make not tiny magba now. Tia president. No yet president to go back. If no sooner that busy boss no die. What it be all this one? I want that talo. You know, say you know me. Who be you? Who knows you? Who you be? Anyanyaka. What you want to talk? How many boys where you don't know where one can say they don't fuck Ijore? What you want to who you be? Who you be? What you want to talk? What you get to talk? How you want to talk? Where you want to talk? Ijore, what you do? He talk something where not good years back. Ajo jagane no kpawo ko jo jagane. Of course. What you can remain? What you call remember when you want to talk? Emi na tag book we wan na we ban water na ka me. E ban de gbe taneda na ka me ni o ka me no me ne gbe o ka me no me. E ban de gbe do ta. E ban do ta no so wu. Stay away o. Stay away gbe man agbon man ne. Me na agbon make na ma we my brother. Agbon man na ne. E man we ya so wu na gbe me be o na agbon be ma meseyan. You want to go my me any aje. Aya aleru na maso ma. Na gbo be ma me se yan emebe na gbe be alegberu ni o be favor we. Not be say you dey pray you come dey use matter dey spoil another person just because you want get self glory. Where you want carry and go na 6 feet. 6 feet straight ahead. Now you want carry and go. E come ro mu eri. Atian we gbe we ibizu gbo ligi ni we gbe wa gbon na we atogbe we gbe sisi ye wo kefian wo. If you not calm down. If you not calm down, say 6 years okay fianwu. Better calm down, make na daddy omo. Hey, that go because you have to watch your before. One more business, one appointment to make a call. Now you just call her. For phone, begin to tell her say, na say the month you do live video, na say not do live video. Or you robi we na, no we ya robi we gbe before, not for your phone. Una dey Facebook. O ma gbe robi, o no lawyer be phone. Una do agegbe we mo run ekin. Abi your ilo. You don't lawyer finish for phone. You come Facebook on they make noise based on say that Facebook and not making noise. Auto say no say that Facebook they make noise. You dey lawyer finish with person for phone. O matter me we run well no. Wa ba be to egbe. Now what you tell me? You don't tell me say destiny swear for you. Now last time me call they know that one to reply you. Now last I cannot say they reply you. Can you imagine? You go do something finish. You work on the implicate or you definitely go work on the judge, but also you know say na a guy. What did they bring that nonsense? What you call they bring that nonsense? You just never even talk to you now. You never when no when you next start do na you ba when no can have your una do reply. E bizugbe ejo na bi bizugbe owo ejo na bizugbe va ejo na bizugbe ha ejo na bizugbe ne ejo na bizugbe sen ejo na bizugbe han ejo na bizugbe yan ejo na bizugbe oga uwe okay dobo no when you next start no be dokpa ya do ku we bonege muhun nega yo ba owa o have your be ni jore tai uga nwa mami uga go be ni jore tai em no wegbe ka sunu da wo kese de nederio wa ke na mi odokun wa de gbo we me sta be ko we boge dan em no wegbe em no wegbe na me se wa jojo go bobo wonu kere be gbesta wa jojo he wonu kere be gbesta wa jojo pastor wonu kere be gbesta em no wegbe ka sunu wegbe we uma na rambo e destiny vesta kunre ko se ma me ni agu we de ya ma me ni ari we ya ma kpuru no sugbo we ni ya ke bi are Facebook ya ma be do ba bu we exist. They don't know if someone like you exists. So that's so it be. That's so it be. Okay, Zekme. Bizugbe, sing another music. I'm here to back you up with chorus. Your father will not get we not get brokos. Idiot.